सत्सङ्गान्मुक्तदुःसङ्गो हातुं नोत्सहते बुधा कीर्त्यमानं यशो यस्य सकृदाकर्ण्यरोचनं तस्मिन् यस्तधेयः पार्थाः सहेरन्विरहं कथं दर्शनस्पर्शसंलापा शयनासनभोजनैः. These two shlokas from the 10th chapter of the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam describe the feelings of separation experienced by Pandavas. When Krishna was leaving Hastinapur after this Kurukshetra war, all the Pandavas felt so much of separation from Krishna. In this context, Suta Goswami says that it is very difficult for devotees who love Krishna to experience separation from Krishna. He says, Sat Sangan Mukta Dussango Hatum Na Utsahate Buddha. Buddha means an intelligent person. An intelligent person who has given up bad association and has taken to good association. Sat Sangha means good association. Mukta Dussango means being relieved from bad association. So, we can be relieved from materialistic association by taking shelter of the association of good people or pure devotees of Krishna. So, such intelligent people who have given up bad association by taking to good association, and what happens in that good association? Kirtyamanam yasho yasya. In good association, devotees always chant the glories of the Supreme Lord Krishna. Kirtyamanam, they do kirtan, they do glorification or praise of the Supreme Lord Krishna's names and pastimes and activities and qualities. So, a person who is attached to good association and a person who is attached to hearing about Krishna in that good association cannot give up such good association, because in such good association people get addicted or attached to Krishna's qualities. Oh, hearing about Krishna is so illuminating the soul. Hearing about Krishna is so satisfying to the heart. How can I give up such good association in which the river of Krishna Katha is constantly flowing? A devotee feels like this. So, just by hearing about Krishna, Sakrit Akarnya Rochanam, just by hearing about Krishna even once, if one can develop such deep attachment towards Krishna, what to speak of Pandavas, who did not just hear about Krishna, who associated with Krishna directly. So, a sadhaka or a practicing devotee associates with Krishna by hearing about Krishna in the association of other devotees. Even such sadhakas also cannot stay outside such good association, they miss Krishna. But Pandavas are not just like sadhakas who are associating with Krishna just by hearing about him. They are direct associates of Krishna. They are very close to Krishna. Tasmin yasta dhiyaha partha saheran viraham katham. How can these great Pandavas who are pure, intimate devotees and associates of Krishna, how can they tolerate viraham or separation from Krishna? Saheran viraham katham. How can they tolerate? Because Pandavas had the experience of directly dealing with Krishna in 6 ways. Number 1, Darshana. Pandavas see Krishna. Sparsha. Pandavas touch Krishna. Samlapa. Pandavas have conversations with Krishna. Shayana. Pandavas sleep with Krishna. Asana. Pandavas sit with Krishna. Bhojanaihi. Pandavas eat with Krishna. So like that, Pandavas are having 6 loving exchanges directly with Krishna. When a person has such intimate association and friendship with Krishna, relationship with Krishna, how can someone just give up the association of Krishna? So all the Pandavas felt so bad, because Krishna came to assist Pandavas in this Kurukshetra war, and Krishna stayed throughout the Kurukshetra war, and even after war also, he stayed for some time in Hastinapur just to pacify his sister Subhadra Devi, and also to give his company to the Pandavas, and he also was present when Bhishma was departing from this world. So in this way, Pandavas had the association of Krishna during the war and after the war also for a long time. So Krishna stayed at Hastinapur, far away from Dwaraka. And now Krishna said that I need to go to Dwaraka. My devotees at Dwaraka are waiting for me. I cannot stay so long away from Dwaraka. They will feel bad. So please give me permission. So finally Yudhishthira Maharaj had to give permission. So Krishna, having attained the permission of Yudhishthir Maharaj, Kunti Devi and many other devotees at Hastinapur, he started for Dwarka. So at that time Pandavas could not control their overwhelming feelings of separation. So here and viraham katham. So this is the attractive potency of Krishna. So when someone makes a relationship with Krishna, in sadhaka stage by hearing, or in a very exalted state by directly associating with Krishna, such people actually cannot give up their company of Krishna. So these are the intense feelings of separation felt by devotees of Krishna. Actually, love cannot be measured in any unit. So love now length can be measured in millimeters, centimeters, kilometers. Weight can be measured in kilograms. But love, how can you measure love? Love can be measured only by the amount of separation one feels for the beloved. So to the degree one misses the beloved personality, to that degree this person has love for that person. So all the Pandavas are in intense feelings of separation from Krishna. That shows that they love Krishna so much. They are missing Krishna now. So this is the intimate love that existed between Krishna and the Pandavas. And several other shlokas and pastimes within Srimad Bhagavatam and other scriptures also describe these loving relationships between Pandavas and Krishna. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.